I'm Birdie with Film Tampa Bay, and here's everything happening this week in Tampa's film scene. This Friday is Friday the 13th, and what better way to celebrate than by screening Friday the 13th at Sunrise Cinema. Check it out at University Mall at 9:30 p.m. In honor of Pride Month, the Tampa International Gay and Lesbian Film Festival will be screening the queer cult classic But I'm a Cheerleader at Greenlight Cinema on June 15th at 3 p.m. And just a note, TIGLIF's board meetings are now open to the public. Join them every first Tuesday of the month by registering at the link in their Instagram bio. The Tampa Theater will be showing Dr. Zhivago on June 15th at 3 p.m. as part of their annual Summer Classics series. Visit their website to see all of the classic movies that they're showing this summer. And don't forget to mark your calendars for next week's Juneteenth Film Festival at the Tampa Theater. We're bringing you a whole lineup of locally made shorts and a screening of Is That Black Enough For You?, a documentary about Black cinema. And don't forget to follow Film Tampa Bay so that you don't miss the Birdwatch every Monday.